Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is a Bayou test run on the Laddie motor. The Laddie motor was shipped to me by John from Chicago. She's a 1957 5 horsepower Sea King. This motor has a lot of history to it. It's a legacy motor from John's grandfather. I'll give you a rundown of that while we're out on the water. I took her apart and did a full restore on her. I mean, top to bottom. Completely taken apart, ignition rebuilt, carburetor rebuilt, gear case rebuilt, taken apart, cleaned, painted, dents repaired on the gas tank, barrel tested. She runs great. Awesome. Looking forward to the Bayou test run and giving you the history of the Laddie motor Bayou test run on Bayou Teche in Boudreaux, Louisiana. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, we're out here on the Bayou giving her a test run. She runs great. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 10 miles an hour. Let's give her a test run, see what she can do. Yeah, she's sweet. Nice little chilly morning this morning out here in Boudreaux. So the Laddie motor. Let's see if I can give you a rundown of the Laddie motor. Laddie motor was bought by John's father in 1957 from Montgomery Wards, and took it up to a lake in Rhineland Lake, maybe in Wisconsin, with the family. John's father's name was Paul. He passed the motor on to his Uncle Wally's sister named Laddie, who was an avid fisherman. And then Laddie passed it on to John. So this motor's been in the family since 1957. John decided to entrust me with getting her restored. And I've got her back on the water now, good to go, and happy to do it. So let's give her another start and see her run. Started her in gear. She runs great. She runs great. John, I'll be shipping it to you in the next few days, buddy. Hope you enjoy your motor. I love what I do. These are motors I love to restore. Let's take her on in. Aye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!